What if your house could basically clean itself? No vacuum, no mopping, and barely any maintenance. Today we're checking out the Dreame X60 Max Ultra Complete, and this might be the one of the most advanced robot vacuums ever made. This robot packs some serious technology like 35,000 PA suction power, AI cameras that recognize 280 plus objects, ultra thin 7.95 cm design, obstacle climbing up to 8.8 cm. But the real question is, can this actually replace your regular vacuum and mop? Let's find out. Let's see real quick what comes inside of the box. So it comes with a cleaning solution, with 2 pet odor solution, 6 mop pads, extra side brush, an extra set of main brushes, 2 extra filters, 3 extra filters, and a quick guide and the manual. And this is the robot vacuum with the brushes on the bottom. It has the main filter already included, pre-installed, and this is the main sensor, and it comes out. And in the front it has 2 sensors and 1 on the middle. And this is the main station, and it has the filter in here. You can put the solution, surface solution, the pet odor solution. It has the buckets. The dark bucket is for the dirty solution, and the clear one is for the cleaning solution. Okay, and this is everything that comes inside of the box. And these are the top 7 best features about the Dreame X60 Max Ultra Complete. One of the coolest things about this robot is how thin it is. It's only 7.95 centimeters tall, making it one of the Dreame's slimmest robot vacuums. It uses a retractable DTOF navigation sensor, which means it lifts up in open spaces for better scanning and retracts under furniture to fit into tight areas. Another real cool feature is the proactive light dirt detection system. The robot uses an infrared light near the front camera to detect dirt more accurately. When the dirt is detected, a blue light turns on to show the robot has identified a dirty area. It can recognize hair, small particles, dark stains, and even light stains like spilled tea. Then the robot adjusts its cleaning strategy automatically, switching between vacuum or mopping depending on the type of mess. Next is the cleaning power, and it's seriously impressive. The X60 Max Ultra Complete delivers up to 35,000 PA suction, which allows it to easily pick up things like dust, pet hair, paper scraps. It also uses the HyperStream Detangling DuoBrush 2.0 system. This includes a bristle rubber brush for hard floors, a TPU rubber brush for carpets, plus a retractable pressure chamber that increases suction when cleaning carpets. The brushes spin up to 1600 RPM, which helps remove dirt deep inside thick carpets. This robot can also do something most robot vacuums struggle with: climbing obstacles. The X60 Max Ultra Complete uses FlexiAdapt obstacle crossing technology, which allows it to clear obstacles up to 8.8 centimeters high. It uses a system of swinging arms and lifting legs to get over things like rock edges, door tracks, small steps, and floor transitions. Sensors measure the obstacle height and choose the best strategy to cross safely. Navigation is handled by Dreame's AI-enhanced OmniSight system. The robot uses 2 wide-angle AI cameras that mimic human vision. It can recognize over 280 types of objects, including shoes, cables, toys, furniture, and its navigation algorithm responds to obstacles in just 0.01 seconds, making route planning up to 200% faster. For mopping, the robot uses the DreameGlide cleaning system. The mop pads are thermally heated, staying above 40 degrees Celsius during cleaning to help break down grease and stains. They also use 15 nanometers downward pressure, 230 RPM rotation speed, and the dual mop pads can tilt and adjust angles to maintain better contact with uneven surfaces. This helps remove things like footprints, sticky spills, greasy stains, and many more. The PowerDock station is what makes the whole thing almost hands-free. It can automatically empty the dustbin, refill the water tank, mix cleaning solution, wash the mop pads, and dry the mop pads with hot air. And the dustbin can hold debris for up to 100 days before needing to be emptied. So maintenance is very minimal. After testing it out, what stands out the most is how autonomous everything feels. Between the AI navigation, powerful suction, obstacle climbing, and automatic dock, it really feels like a next generation robot vacuum. And the ultra thin design is actually a big advantage, because it can clean places most robots can't reach. Overall, the Dreame X60 Max Ultra Complete is packed with some really impressive technology. If you want to check it out, the product link is down below in the description. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop down a comment if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one.